Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to change the headlight lamp bulb of Toyota Yaris 2008 model on the passenger side. On the driver side it is pretty easy to change if your hand is going there, but on the passenger side it is pretty difficult as it is underneath there is no space at all. I have watched some videos on YouTube and most of them are showing taking off the headlamp out. First they have to take the bumper out and the headlamp out to replace the bulb. But I hope I can do it without that. All you need is a small hand. First you have to take the fuse box cover, so it will give you a little bit space there, just the cover. Then you can take the rubber out. See, that's a rubber goes in there. And now there is 3 clips to take. I think you won't be able to see this. I will show you after taking this off. See, as you can see, if it is possible, you can see there is clips inside. Got it? Yes, the filament is gone. So now we can put the new one there. New one goes through on this side, slowly progressing. Okay. I need both my hands to help it out. So I fitted the new bulb there. Yeah. There, see there. Now we have to put the rubber back and the connection also. That's it. So that's it. Now all done. There, disconnected. The rubber bush fitted back. Now we can put this thing back. Both lamps are working now. That's it, both lamps are working perfect. So that's it. We changed the passenger side headlamp bulb. On the other videos I have seen, all of them are showing that they are taking out the bumper and the headlamp out to remove the bulb, but it is quite easy. It's not easy, it is a bit difficult if you have a small hand, and it is possible you can change the bulb without removing the lamp, the whole lamp. So have a good day. Thank you then. Bye.